Looking for a reliable and energy-efficient way to heat your above-ground pool? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 electric pool heaters for this year and help you find the perfect fit. Let's begin with the VARMINPOOL 16,000 BTU Smart Inverter Heat Pump, a standout choice for small to medium above-ground pools. This 110-volt plug-and-play unit is incredibly easy to install, requiring no special wiring or professional setup. What makes it unique is the built-in Wi-Fi control, which allows you to manage temperature settings from your smartphone. It uses inverter technology to regulate energy consumption, ensuring quieter operation and more consistent heating performance. The titanium heat exchanger ensures durability and corrosion resistance, even when used with saltwater pool. This unit is ideal for pools up to 5,400 gallons. While it performs best in ambient temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers a great balance of power, efficiency, and smart control feature. The only downside is that, like most heat pumps, it does require good airflow and should be placed in an open space away from walls or enclosures. Next is the ECOPOOLTECH EU50 electric heat pump, which delivers 16,184 British thermal units of heating power for pools up to 5,000 gallon. Also designed for 110-volt outlets, this unit features a sleek and compact design that won't take up much space around your pool area. It includes an electronic control panel with precise temperature settings and diagnostic readouts, making it easy to operate. Like the VARMINPOOL, it uses a titanium heat exchanger to prevent damage from pool chemicals and ensure long-term performance. One of its strengths is its relatively low noise output, which makes it suitable for residential backyards. However, it does require a dedicated circuit and may lose efficiency in colder climate. For those living in temperate zones with moderate pool usage, the ECOPOOLTECH EU50 is a dependable and low-maintenance choice. Third on our list is the ZIKEBTUY 15,609 British thermal units electric pool heat pump, a user-friendly unit that provides solid heating for pools up to 5,000 gallon. This model runs on 110 to 120 volts and features an intuitive digital display for easy temperature control. It operates quietly, around 45 decibels, and includes overheat protection and other safety features to give homeowners peace of mind. Like the previous two models, it also relies on a titanium heat exchanger for corrosion resistance and long-term reliability. Its strength lies in its balance of simplicity, performance, and safety. While it's not powerful enough for larger pools, it offers excellent value for those looking to upgrade their heating without overcomplicating installation or maintenance. Just make sure to place it in a well-ventilated area to optimize airflow and heat exchange. For those needing more power, the FibroPool FH055 55,000 BTU electric heat pump is a great high-capacity option. Designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools up to 10,000 gallons, this unit runs on 230 volts and requires professional installation. It features a durable enamel-coated steel chassis, a digital thermostat, and an oversized evaporator coil to maximize heat transfer efficiency. Despite its large capacity, the FibroPool operates quietly and has a reputation for dependable long-term performance. Its titanium heat exchanger is compatible with both chlorine and saltwater systems. The primary advantage here is heating speed and efficiency. This model can maintain a steady water temperature even in fluctuating weather. However, the higher power requirements and upfront cost make it best suited for serious pool owners or those in cooler climates who swim year-round. Finally, we have the EcoSmart Smart Pool 27 Tankless electric pool heater, which takes a different approach by offering a compact, on-demand heating system. This unit is ideal for smaller pools and spas up to 15,000 gallons and is designed to deliver consistent, gradual heating using a flow-activated mechanism. It features a digital thermostat and a self-modulating system to adjust power usage according to demand. While it doesn't heat as quickly as traditional heat pumps, it avoids standby heat loss and occupies very little space. The EcoSmart is best for pool owners in warmer climates who want to supplement heat during cooler evenings or shoulder season. One drawback is that it requires 240 volts and professional installation. Additionally, the slower heat rate means it may not be ideal for quickly raising pool temperatures after long downtime. Thanks for watching. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in the description. Be sure to choose one that matches your pool size, power setup, and seasonal needs.